Ever wondered why ships and planes vanish without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle? Well, you are not alone. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has stirred the human imagination for centuries. This enigmatic region, roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, covers approximately 500,000 square miles of the North Atlantic Ocean. A nautical nightmare, a pilot's peril, the Bermuda Triangle has long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The triangle's infamous reputation began to take shape in the early days of transatlantic travel. Seafarers and aviators alike reported strange occurrences, from malfunctioning navigation equipment to inexplicable weather phenomena. Ships and aircraft would disappear, leaving no trace, no debris, no explanation. These incidents were not isolated, and the frequency of these disappearances was alarmingly high. In fact, the very discovery of the Bermuda Triangle is steeped in mystery. The term Bermuda Triangle was first coined in a magazine article back in the early 1960s. The author, Vincent Gaddis, described several incidents where ships and planes disappeared under unexplained circumstances. His accounts captured the public's imagination, and the Bermuda Triangle quickly became a symbol of the unexplained and supernatural. Since then, the triangle has played a starring role in countless stories and legends. Some attribute the disappearances to extraterrestrial activity, others to magnetic anomalies or underwater currents. But despite extensive research and numerous theories, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle remains unsolved. In maritime history, the Bermuda Triangle stands out as an enigma. Its reputation, built on a series of inexplicable events, continues to intrigue us. It's a mystery that transcends time, a challenge to our understanding of the world, a puzzle waiting to be solved. So let's delve deeper into the annals of history to understand this enigma. The Bermuda Triangle has been a conundrum since the time of Christopher Columbus. From the moment Columbus first sailed the azure waves of the Atlantic, strange occurrences and unexplained phenomena have been reported. Our journey into the enigma of the Triangle begins with these early encounters and the mysteries they left behind. In the late 15th century, Columbus himself noted bizarre compass readings during his voyage. His logbook tells tales of his compass needle swaying wildly, deviating from magnetic north without any discernible cause. But it wasn't just the compass that baffled Columbus. He also reported seeing a great flame of fire crashing into the sea one night, followed by a strange light appearing in the distance a few weeks later. Could these be the earliest recorded incidents within the Bermuda Triangle? However, it was the 20th century that marked the beginning of the Triangle's notoriety. The incident of the USS Cyclops, a massive fuel ship of the US Navy, is a chilling tale that continues to intrigue us. In March of 1918, the Cyclops, with over 300 souls aboard, set sail from Barbados to Baltimore. The vessel never made it to its destination. There were no distress calls, no wreckage, not a single trace of the Cyclops or its crew. It vanished, as if swallowed by the sea itself. This was the first time the world started to question the nature of this region. The term Bermuda Triangle was not yet coined, but the dread associated with the area had begun to take root. The case of the Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy, unrelated to combat. These early encounters marked the beginning of a long-standing mystery. They paved the way for countless stories, theories, and debates about the Bermuda Triangle. As we delve deeper into the history and the enigma of this region, remember, the Triangle does not give up its secrets easily. The year 1945 marked a significant turning point in the history of the Bermuda Triangle. In this year, the infamous Flight 19 incident occurred, painting a chilling portrait of the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic nature. On a seemingly ordinary day, December 5th, 5 Navy Avenger bombers, collectively called Flight 19, took off from the Naval Air Station in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for a routine training exercise. The squadron was led by an experienced flight instructor, Lieutenant Charles Taylor. With 14 men under his command, they set off into the clear blue skies, unaware of the enigma that awaited them. The flight plan was simple. They were to conduct bombing runs at a place called Hens and Chicken Shoals, then fly north over the Grand Bahama Island, and finally turn southwest and head back to base. But something went terribly wrong. After the bombing practice, Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning. He believed they were over the Florida Keys, but in reality, they were over the Bahamas, far off from their intended position. Confusion reigned in the cockpit, and despite attempts from ground control to guide them home, the squadron flew further out to sea. As the hours passed, radio transmissions became increasingly frantic, and then ominously silent. The 5 bombers, with their crew of 15 men, had vanished without a trace. In a bid to find the missing men, a PBM Mariner flying boat with a 13-man crew was dispatched. The rescue mission, however, met a similar fate. A mere 20 minutes after takeoff, the Mariner too disappeared, leaving no trace behind. The search efforts continued for 5 days, covering more than 300,000 square miles, but to no avail. The Flight 19 incident resulted in the disappearance of 28 men and 6 aircraft in a single day. It remains one of the most significant and baffling incidents in the annals of the Bermuda Triangle, a stark reminder of its unfathomable nature. The Flight 19 incident only deepened the mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Over the years, numerous theories have tried to explain the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. First, let's delve into the more scientific theories. One of the most popular ones is the violent weather theory. This part of the Atlantic Ocean is known for sudden, severe storms and the rapid formation of waterspouts. These could easily catch ships and planes off guard, leading to accidents and disappearances. Then there's the methane hydrates theory. The ocean floor in this region is dotted with massive deposits of methane gas. If a large amount were to burst forth, it could potentially cause the water to froth and bubble, reducing buoyancy and causing ships to sink almost instantly. As for aircraft, a methane bubble could cause an engine to stall or even explode. And don't forget about the magnetic anomalies theory. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, confusing compasses and leading to navigational errors. This could explain why so many vessels veer off course and vanish within the triangle. But then there are the more outlandish theories, which, despite their lack of scientific backing, are persistently fascinating. Alien abductions, for instance. Some enthusiasts suggest that the triangle is a portal or a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity, leading to the disappearance of ships and planes. And let's not forget the theory of underwater cities. Stories of the lost city of Atlantis have been linked to the Bermuda Triangle for years. Some believe that advanced technology from this submerged civilization could be responsible for the strange occurrences in the triangle. While these theories offer possible explanations, none have definitively solved the mystery. And so, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most intriguing enigmas, a place where fact and fiction seem to blur, and where the search for answers continues. In the present day, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate and confound. This region, nestled in the Atlantic between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, remains a hotbed of unexplained incidents despite our advances in technology. Just in the past decade, there have been numerous incidents that keep the mystery alive. In 2016, the SS El Faro, a cargo ship with 33 crew members, vanished in the Triangle during a hurricane. Despite extensive search efforts, only one body and a few pieces of debris were recovered. The ship's final resting place and the fate of its crew remain unknown. In 2018, a private plane carrying 4 people disappeared without a trace, stoking the fire of the Bermuda Triangle enigma. Despite radar and satellite technology, no trace of the plane or its passengers has been found. But it's not just these headline-grabbing disappearances that fuel the mystery. Smaller, less publicized incidents occur frequently. Boats found drifting with no one on board, unexplained equipment failures, and strange weather phenomena continue to perplex those who dare to navigate the triangle. And while our technology has advanced, the triangle has proven to be an unpredictable and dangerous place. Even with GPS, sonar, and satellite imagery, the Bermuda Triangle doesn't play by the rules. Ships and planes can vanish without a trace, and even when wreckage is found, it often raises more questions than it answers. Despite numerous investigations, studies, and theories, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma. Its unpredictable weather, deep underwater trenches, and magnetic anomalies all contribute to the mystery, but they don't provide a definitive answer. So as we sail into the future, one thing remains certain. The Bermuda Triangle is a place of mystery and danger, It's a maritime riddle that, despite our best efforts and brightest minds, continues to baffle and bewilder. The Bermuda Triangle, a maritime mystery that continues to baffle us.